Hello, Mr. Molenkamp here. Thanks for watching if you're tuning in. This video I will explain the 3 classes that I'm teaching this year and give you a little bit of information about how they are different and what you can expect in each class if you are enrolled. First, my integrated science class. Integrated science is a year-long class. All 3 of my classes are an entire year. In integrated science, we will be studying the next generation science standards that are set out for studying different disciplines of science. Integrated science, we will look at physics and chemistry topics, as well as environmental and environmental biology topics. How that class is going to work, because we have so many different types of science to study, is we will use an anchoring phenomenon that will lead us into exploring a topic. An example of an anchoring phenomenon could be an earthquake, it could be a disease, it could be a piece of technology that's been around for a while. And basically, we'll start with a video or a demonstration of that phenomena, and you will try to diagram how it works. Then we'll make a list as a class of knows and need to knows. So what do we already know about radios? What do we need to know about radios to explain how they work? And from there, that'll lead into a full immersive lab experience and teaching experience of learning about circuitry, learning about the electromagnetic spectrum. So that's how the class will kind of be run. We'll have an anchoring phenomenon, then we'll learn the science content along the way. For biology, biology is a required course. By passing it at the state test at the end of the school year, you will earn a seal for graduation. Biology, the major focus and major questions of biology are what makes something a living thing? What are living things made up of? Do living things change? And if so, how and why would they change? How do living things interact with each other? Big questions like this. The term biology literally means the study of life. So we'll have a chance to do some microscope work. We'll do some wet labs where we're doing different things with enzymes and looking at the cell membrane function. Biology, there's a lot of vocabulary, so I like to tell my students that you need to make sure you're always reviewing the terms we're going through so you can understand what we're talking about. Biology is sort of like learning a different language. So that's biology. And this year I'll also be teaching biomedical science, year 3 of the Project Lead the Way curriculum, which is called Medical Interventions. Medical Interventions is a class where we follow a fictional family that a lot of students find a lot of similarity to. It's called the Smith family. They have a big family. In particular, we're going to be looking at Sue Smith and her life. She's a college student, and throughout her medical journey, we're going to look at different medical interventions that she has elected to receive and her family members have received. So medical intervention is anything as simple as sunscreen to a laparoscopic surgery to a heart stent. So we're going to be looking at different types of medical procedures, and this class is very rigorous. It's very interesting as well. So that's why it is a junior to senior level class. And one thing that we'll be doing a lot of it are wet labs, where we're culturing bacteria and fungi, and we're also going to be doing PCR and cycle sequencing, and you'll have a chance to do a genome of your own DNA. So a lot of really neat labs that go with this class, and that's called Biomedical Science Year 3. If you have any questions about these things, you feel free to email me, call my room phone number, or stop by room 209, and we can talk more about each class. Thank you.